Hi, my name is Jessica, and I am the Director of Customer Success for OneClick Referral. So I serve as the liaison between OneClick Referral and all of the practices that use the system. I am happy to show you how OneClick Referral works. So I'm going to take a couple minutes and walk through this presentation with you, and then we'll answer any questions that you have afterwards. So I'm going to start by sharing my screen. And the first thing that you will see is that the title of our presentation is Improving the Patient Referral Experience. That is our singular goal with OneClick Referral, is to streamline that process between yourselves and the specialists that you work with, as well as with the patient as well. We'll tell you a little bit about ourselves before we go into OneClick. As you can see, we've developed several different product lines here. We are the Record Link, or you may know us as the Dr. DDS Innovations team. OneClick Referral is one of several product lines that we have developed over the past 10 years. So as you can see here, we have I Love My Dentist, Record Link, Dentrix Button, and there's several others in here as well. So we've been in the industry for about 10 years, and we've put a lot of work into understanding what the needs are of all of our practices that we work with. So let's identify a few of the pain points that you may be experiencing with sending referrals over to the specialists. Are you having a hard time completing referral forms before having to send them? Are you not getting enough information over to the specialist when you send the referral form over? Does this cause a lot of wasted time going back and forth with the specialist to get that information to them? And are you seeing patients come back frustrated or call back frustrated that they didn't have all the information that they needed to be seen by the practice, or maybe feeling that you didn't give them enough information beforehand? If this sounds familiar, we have some solutions for you. So what if you could consistently send referrals with all the patient's information the first time around, and you could save time and minimize the follow-up process? And what if you, the specialist, and the patient could all receive instant notifications, all with the click of a button? So that's what OneClick Referral's goal is to make all of that so much easier for you. But before we look at the product, let's talk about some of the benefits of using OneClick. It will save time for both practices and the patient, makes communication between the generalists, so yourselves, and the specialists that you work with, easier. You'll be able to better track the referrals once you have sent them, so you'll know whether they've been responded to, if the patient's been worked with or not, and what the outcome of the appointment was for the patient. This will also reduce the patient's need to complete redundant forms, because you will have sent all of their information over the first time around. That way the patient doesn't have to take any additional time once they get over to the specialist's office to fill out paperwork. This results in happier patients. And the most important part is that it's 100% HIPAA compliant. So let's look at how OneClick Referral works. We do have the button, as you can see here in this image. When you get signed up with OneClick Referral, you'll receive a box of buttons from us. So each box contains 3 of what we call the easy buttons. You plug those into your desktops. You also have some nano buttons here too, and those are for your smaller desktops or for your laptops, or anywhere that doesn't have a whole lot of extra space. You can use those to save space and still get the benefit of pressing the button for one click. This is what they look like when they're plugged in. So you have the button that does light up blue, and that's a nice reminder to use it when you are sending out referrals. And as you can see, the nano button goes into your desktops and into your laptops too. Makes it nice and easy to send that referral over. So the way that it works is you can press the button, or you can go to oneclickreferral.com and get signed in and send a referral from inside of the platform. This opens the OneClick Referral window for you. You can then select the patient, select the procedures that you're recommending that they be treated for. You can also attach files, so you can attach x-rays, and you can attach their insurance information, and then all you have to do from there is hit send referral. This is what the insurance page looks like. So it will pull all that information over for them. so that they don't have to call you and ask you for that information as well. So once they receive that referral, they'll be able to receive an email and a text message if they choose to, letting them know that they've received that referral from you. They can then open and respond to the referral. They can also call or text the patient from inside of OneClick Referral. You'll see this is what the text to the specialist looks like. You'll say you have received a OneClick referral from Dr. Scott Dentistry for Valerie at, here's the number. Please log in for more information. And so you can log in to OneClick Referral straight from the text message. Makes it nice and easy. The last component in that is that the patient also receives an email and a text letting them know that they have received that referral and that they have been referred over to the specialist's office. This is what that text looks like. It says, thanks for coming in today. We've received your referral. And here is all the information to fill out the form and additional forms that the patient may need to fill out for the specialist. And that's dependent on the account settings for the specialist. They can then text the patient and communicate with them via the secure messenger within OneClick Referral. Makes it nice and easy and simple to get in touch with those patients. This is what the referral looks like once you click on the link and open it. You'll see all of the x-rays that have been attached. You'll also see any notes that you have added in. So this is an area down at the very bottom where it'll say enter message, and you can enter in, just like you would an email, any additional information that you need to. From there is the text messenger that you can use as well as the specialist can use to communicate with the patient. We will set up your notifications so that you get desktop notifications to let you know that you've received that communication back from the specialist and from the patient as well. So we'll make sure that you don't miss any notifications. This is what the portal looks like once you are inside of OneClick Referral. This is the main dashboard, so you'll see all of the referrals that you have sent, listed out by date, patient's name, who you referred them to, and the message that you attached. From there, the specialist will be able to then select the coordinator. They'll also be able to select this disposition status, so they'll be able to tell you whether they've made successful contact with the patient, and they can also add in additional notes too. So you'll see that, thank you for the referral. The patient has been scheduled for an extraction on June 17th. There's a place here that they can notify both you and the patient as well. We make it really easy to communicate within OneClick Referral. We have a couple different options. We do have apps for iOS and Android. We also have an extension within Chrome that we can install for you on your behalf. That way you receive desktop notifications. All of this to make it easier to get in touch with each other via OneClick, so you don't miss any communication with the specialty practice that you're working with. So imagine what you could do with all of the extra time that you gain as a result of this system. So our goal here is to help you to focus more on patient care, as well as other operations within the practice that make the patient experience better, as well as to help you with your growth goals. So if this is something that you are interested in and you're interested in utilizing with your specialty practices, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can check out our website to see some additional information as well as some testimonials from current users. We do have our support phone number listed here too for general questions. You are always welcome to reach out to me directly. As I mentioned at the beginning of the presentation, my name is Jessica and I am the head of customer success for OneClick Referral. So you're always welcome to reach out to me. My direct line is 256-617-0387. You can call and or text that phone number. And I do also have an email address that you can email me directly as well, and that is jessica@drdds.com. Thank you so much for your time and for your interest in OneClick Referral. Please don't hesitate to reach out. We look forward to working with you.